In this episode of Akram's Ideas, I have for you a quickie bake recipe for a coconut cream pie that whips up in no time. Hello and welcome. I'm Akram Burris, and you're watching Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life. No matter what the season, a delightful coconut cream pie can give the feeling of a beach holiday. The light cream and refreshing coconut make a perfect pairing for a pie, though a traditional coconut cream pie can be a bit tedious to prepare. But don't worry, because in this episode of Akram's Ideas, I have for you a quickie bake recipe for a coconut cream pie that whips up in no time. So with that said, let's get started. For our quickie bake coconut cream pie, you will need 1 graham cracker crust, 2 packages of instant vanilla pudding, 2 cups of milk, 1 1/4 cup of sweetened coconut flakes, and 2 8-ounce tubs of Cool Whip. You're going to take your 2 packages of instant pudding and place them in a large mixing bowl. To that, you're going to mix in the 2 cups of milk. You're then going to add 1 cup of the sweetened coconut flakes to the pudding mixture. To your pudding mixture, you're going to fold in your 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. You're now going to pour your coconut cream pie mixture into your graham cracker crust. You're going to top your coconut cream pie with the second 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. You're going to refrigerate your pie for 3 hours before serving. While your pie is refrigerating, you're going to take the remaining 1/4 cup of coconut flakes and toast them over a stovetop. Right before serving, you're going to sprinkle on your coconut flakes onto your pie. And here is our finished coconut cream pie. And I actually have cut myself a slice here that we're going to taste test. It is so creamy. The toasted coconuts on top, along with the coconuts mixed in throughout the pudding mixture, it's just an amazingly refreshing feeling, and it really does feel like a beach holiday. If you try your hand at making this recipe, I'd love to hear in the comments below how yours turned out. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Akram's Ideas, and if you did, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow Akram's Ideas on social media and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching!